One of the most common questions we get when doing an elbow repair is why we use a plastic wrap versus a poly sleeve that we use in a straight repair. Today we're going to talk about why the plastic wrap is essential and also show how we load the packer with the plastic wrap. To prepare the plastic wrap to be wrapped around the elbow packer, we're first going to tape one end of the plastic wrap to a flat, smooth surface. We'll unroll the desired amount of plastic wrap and then trim off the end. Once that's completed, we're going to grab the elbow packer and start at the end at about a 45-degree angle, and then we're simply going to wrap the packer across the plastic wrap using a 50% overlap method until we've got the entire packer covered at the other end. And then we're going to trim off the plastic. Tape is used to secure both ends of the plastic wrap to ensure the plastic wrap does not come off inside the pipe once the repair is completed. And that is how you attach your plastic wrap to your elbow packer. As I mentioned earlier, the difference between a poly sleeve used on a straight repair and the plastic wrap used on an elbow repair, the plastic wrap on the elbow repair is stretchy and flexible and will conform to the inside of the pipe and the elbow. The poly sleeve used on a straight pipe will not conform to an elbow and may tear on expansion. When using the plastic wrap the way I've shown you here today, it will ensure a smooth installation and give you the finish that most inspectors are looking for.